kulivumi ngoku sekufika ixesha sovula noma ingcango zivaliwe bafake ngaphansi kwepressure ewe icama kulivumi ngoku sekufika ixesha sovula noma ingcango zivaliwe bafake ngaphansi kwepressure sekufika ixesha sovula noma ingcango zivaliwe bafake ngaphansi kwepressure
Okay, my friend, again, it's your boy, Daddy T, aka Taviso Vasila. You know what you know, I know what I know. I'm here with Hood Traps. Before Ngale, can you please give me a trip check? Can you see the trip check? Can you give me 360, bro? Can you give me 360? Just us.
The fixie, a comments. Shut up, Jay. 3 p.m. Your toilet. Just be nanti.
Okay, my friend. Okay, let me give me mine. Buchetti, it's my own brand. Updated, as you can see. Then with the fix Sasa, Londo. Okay, my friend. Again, it's your boy, T, aka Tabiso Masila. You know what you know. I know what I know. I'm here with.
This is Anna Mabala, aka Machicho.
Okay, so Sisanda, aka Machicho Bayamazi from Sporting Stars. Okay, can you tell me what brings you here?
In June 16, it's been 50 years, ne? Anniversary today, and nyaka wam wokugcina apha eWorcester sesibeka kanjalo ndizoba busy kakhulu. So support to Zwelethemba, everyone guys, sanosibonela kumnandi balapha.
Yo, wow, niyapha ke nani 50th anniversary uthi ngunyaka wakhe wokugqibela elapha eZwelethemba. And can you please tell me uyaphi into lekambisa eZwelethemba because you did come and support but uyahamba.
Yeah, guys, insanje sazinto zemeko zekhaya nemali obvious. Sayuba busy guys, let's pray for me ndibe busy kakhulu kwiSasol. Sibone bayizani bekaphila.
Okay, bafethu, as you hear, like inosasol ngaphakathi, also personal issues esingazikwazi thina basixelela. So salute to that. Can you pass a message kumntu obukelele okanye kwabantu abasakhulayo to look up to you?
Guys, for youth is supportive kakhulu. Role models zam guys, nihlale nijongile. Akuningi nje kuzayo.
Okay, bafethu, that's it. Let's wrap it up. It's your boy, Daddy T, aka Tabiso Masilela. Please go and follow and subscribe. Hood Raps on YouTube. That's what you got. I got you, bafethu. Pull up, Zwelethemba Stadium at Tanko. Say hello guys. It's your boy, Daddy T, aka Tabiso Masilela. You know what you know. I know what I know. Say I'm here with Hood Raps. We're busy doing live interviews in Okandaba Cleaning Services event. It's a 5th year anniversary of June 16. Otherwise, I'm with.
What up, guys? You're talking to Mishani Mtsenziba, aka Milisipiti, a producer and DJ from Cape Town right now in Worcester. We're all here to support Lendoka Okandaba. Sisonke bafobe to Siklapa Gleweka 16 June. Be tuned for more. Watch out for Milisipiti. I'll be dropping an album very soon, around about end of March, July. Watch out, I'm available on all digital platforms, Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube, you name it. Walala, wasala.
Okay, wala. I'm to know you. Okay, but I have a little questions now. Who's behind the initiative and how did you become like a part of this and how do you bring something like this to Ikasi? Can you please tell me more because I'm so surprised to see Indo Eganji and there are big companies involved. So can you please elaborate more or give me a little explanation?
No problem. This is simply all about the effort, mthandazo, and consistency. I, as Milisipiti, have my own label, which is Ruben Takes Entertainment. I also have my artists here who will be DJing today, and also have many other few learners who are motivated by my struggle. So I come all the way from Cape Town to motivate learners up. Sisonke with the Sasco Netbank to IEC Nalendoka Okandaba. Shout out to Okandaba with what he's doing, and shout out to Ruben Takes. And we are in the center. Our aim is to decrease the level of crime up in, decrease the level of poverty up in, us by giving us actually bread, soup and everything. Le nto siyenzayo siyafundisa apha emphakathini ukuba yonke into possible. We don't need old leaders to do into sinoyenza ngoku. Siyenzile siyi-youth le nto, kuseninzi okuzayo. Shout out.
Okay, Atango. Esibani vile guys, Topo yake, DDT aka Thabiso Masilela. I'm here with Hood Raps bafethu. So can you please give me okanye give abanye abantu a lesson okanye imfundiso to them, like why they should get involved kwizinto ezikanje?
Personally, my only lesson I'll tell you is akho nto emnandi njengoba involved kwinto yomphakathi wakho. Waziwe ngabantu, ube ngumuntu ngabantu, awungomuntu ngaphandle kwabantu. Uyabo? Upushe icraft yakho, uncedisane nabantu, uzawuyazi into right ne-wrong. That's all I'll say.
Okay, again, thanks, okay, thanks. It's me, CPT, all the way from Cape Town, right here in Worcester with him. Okay, it's your boy, Terry T, aka Thabiso Masilela. You know what you know, I know what I know. I'm going with the Hood Raps. I'm here at Okandaba 50th anniversary, 16 June from 1976 till now, 2026. I'm here with
Unathi from Nedbank.
Okay, sis Unathi from Nedbank bafethu. Ibhenke nesimali, Okay, sis what brings you here and how did you manage to get the partnership, like the collaboration with Okandaba Training Services?
Okay, since it's June 16, Uanga came to us. Wacela for our presence to be in the community. Kuba ke siyibhanka yabantu, we believe people are very important. So we must also cater for people. So wacela ke wasibe lapha, so that's why it's lapha.
Okay, sivile ke iye yanjalo Anga went for a support and they brought the support to Ezra Temba and they are supporting the community as ibhanka siyetsho, it's banks for people. So okay, siswamne ngicela ubuza ne kwabantu bangekhoyo okanye ngaba kwezinye indawo, like kwezinye indawo from outside Ezra Temba, do you do initiatives as kanje?
Yes, we do. Since Nedbank, you know, Nedbank is a big branch. Oh, sorry, it's a big bank. So we have different branches from each town or in provinces as well. So initiatives, and then you tell us you need support. Then we send the team to support. So we are all about the people. And then financial fitness to all of our people, whether uselokshini, usedown, lalini. So we need to bring the bank to the people.
Okay, so okay, how to like Tina about if I want to write for a sponsor, how do I do to get a sponsor from you?
So you must come to us, usibhalele your proposal, how we can support you. So also we need to vet your documents or sizobona indonile we offer Tina, then we send it to leadership for approval for the sponsorship. So yes.
Okay, from another question, since I am ambassador of Who Updated, the brand I'm wearing right now. That's my brand. The brand I'm wearing right now. It's an upcoming like business. So if I want to open an account, what would be the benefits for me to open the account?
Okay, Nedbank, since Nia in Mazi has various products, so we have different departments. So the department that you would need to approach is a small business. We do have a banker in Booster branch for the small business. So you would have to book an appointment with him. Then I start to tell you about how to go about it. Also, you can do that at the comfort of your home on the Nedbank app. You can always open the account there as well for your small business.
Okay, so last question, machines also it goes for Nedbank sponsoring events ezikanje. Nina ni like indole nifuna usiveza ukuthi wanye into nifuna sponsor ne-missions.
Nedbank wants to support young people. So young people also need to work in order to be sponsored. They need to show us that they're committed. They need to show us their work in order for us to sponsor them. So keep doing the work. Keep Ibani out there, man, so that we can see you guys, so we can then be in touch with you guys. Anything is possible. Please.
Okay, my friends, again, it's your boy, 30T, aka Chabiso Masilela. You know what you know. I know what. Don't forget to press that ting button. Also, follow and subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned. I'm coming for another interviews.
Okay, anyway, but I'm by all right. I'm the Zala guys. I'm sorry, yes, you come up with this funding, none going up September. Yeah, how can I help you, sir?
Okay, I'm going to Okay, bafethu esibanimvile kumzondi SA ngukamvelihle. Okay, it's your boy 30T aka Chabiso Masila. You know what you know. You know what you know. Okay, I'm here with Hood Reps. So, Zondi SA, can you tell me more? What are you doing here? What's the main thing that brought you here?
Okay, Chief. The main thing that brought me here in this school tournament of the Okandaba, now I'm just an organizer, Chief.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm just an organizer. I'm the one who organized the event. I was the one who was busy with administration and all that stuff. Thank you.
Okay, Nuvile, he was the administrator, everything, sort of like that. Can you tell me, according to me, Wakanda did this event to bring youth together and trying to end criminalism, also like obudlobongela benzekayo apha elokishini, trying to bring youth together. But can you please tell me more? Ne? Do you think this event will try and bring abantwana together or youth together?
Yeah, Chief, we do believe, we are not thinking, we do believe that this event that we are doing will bring together our youth and it will empower some other youth or some other artists who are not motivated or who are not empowered. Yeah, so that's what we are trying to do.
Okay, I hear you. Thanks for the questions. Sorry, sister. The leader like but it's my fault. I want to ask you, what motivated you to wear like this? Because I can see the outfit. The outfit talks more of it.
Oh, okay. Since it's June 16, I just decided to wear like this. Yeah.
Okay, my
And
sister.
to support the community and our children. Yeah, it's good to be here, by the way.
Okay, that's since it's the big day, it's a 5th anniversary, remember. So I got from 1976. So till today, my sister was motivated to buy and I can see it's vintage. But kunjalo kunje and also support abantwana also the community. And it's the trip check. Can you please give us 3-6 on the trip check? Can you give us 3-6 on the trip check? Okay, again. It's your boy, 30T, aka Chabiso Masilela. Shout out to Hood Reps, also Akandaba. Thanks for calling us. You are here. Zango! Okay, it's your boy again, 30T, aka Chabiso Masilela. You know what you know. I know what I know. I'm here with Hood Reps. I'm here with.
My name is Sukurumbu. I'm a sales executive at Frankfurt Saval GWM.
Ms. Vehelenani, Frazux from Uchi WM. As you can see, Esmoto Semvagwamba Fit. Esmoto Semvagwamu. We representatives. Yeah, Zuba Fit. Okay, Hotman, I'll just only ask you a few questions that concern me. Can you please tell me, like, how did you came, like, neighbor? Ni support the Okandaba and how do you motivate abantu come like bafune sponsor kuno kanye nina nesponsorise abantu?
Well, ayondingakho. Okandaba beyenza le event for abantwana basesikolweni, you understand? So as since be June 16 and go bengazuphangela namhlanje, I decided, okay, now listen, let me just also put a hand. Yabona kule nto ka-Okandaba Youth Development Agents. I mean, i-youth zii-leaders zethu zangomso, yabo zii-clients zethu the near future, you understand? So bekunyanzelekile ndibe khona nabo babone ba okay, it's possible to get a car. Yabo nabo ke ngoku nabazali ke ngoku abafuna ukuthenga imoto bazibone kwabona imoto ezizilapha, you understand? Yeah.
Okay. Since Banivile, motivation comes from where? like I love the encouragement like nendlela oyewa ngayo according kuba lewe senzeka ikazi khange ubucinga ba ubudlobongela buninzi and there's a lot of like violence also zonke zawe maybe imoto ingabethwa ngelitye because abantu bagoransayo ngoku like to tell me more how do I like I get a sponsor kanti ufuna sponsor phakuwe.
Well, sponsor kaloku obvious komnye kubhalile email yawo so that ngizonikeza nami ngazo business cards zami uyabo but in any case usenojonga napha kwilokuzana ipage yami ku Facebook uzuko Sebastian Rumbu and then uzobona nami phana ufumana inamba yami sinokole but ke lento mina ngenze from the goodness of my heart yeah just about izinto zenzeke na for okandaba I mean kudala iphusha kudala simbona ba into lena afuna yenza labantwana bona kudala simbona kwalapha elokishini uyacleana ihlangu cleana imoto you understand and hands on so bekunyanzelekile sibe khona nathi because abantu abafana nabo abantu abaright you just have to push the vision.
Okay, Nivile bafethu. Nivile ke it's your point AK. Can you please tell me one last question? How like Ujemba ne uphangela ake under Frankfurt le. Kanixayele into lenokwenza uba mngathenge iHaval yakho okanye iHaval from Frankfurt.
Okay, well different here to if you're looking for luxury comfort, you understand, at a fraction of the price, you can always go for a brand here. I mean, if ungachonga ezinye brands ezinkulu ezikhoyo, you wouldn't get them at the price that you would get for the Haval Jolion, the Haval H6, okanye P300. You understand? Because so strong features ezimoto zethu zinazo, uyabona naba okay zi-advanced and also zi-safe. Ufumana advanced driving assistance systems izinto ezincedayo ba kungabikho accident okanye eziminimizayo i-chances zakho zoba ufumana accident. So I mean the brand speaks itself iyazixela uba hayi jonga sithi apha uyayibona nawe.
Okay, yafethu nizile nawe. So if ufuna okanye ucinga uthenga imoto you can hook up with uBrazux okanye uya Frankfurt ufune yena oza kucacisela more because ndiyayazi laa nto xa ufika eshopini nemoto udibane ngamntu aqonda enje iqala ngaphi at least yena khona to elaborate more. Okay, adanga khona manam for that.
Mamela if ukhona umuntu omaziyo ofuna uthenga imoto uyabo if uyamazi lo muntu ufuna uthenga imoto and go ufuna uthenga njani the moment eyithenga la moto I can give you imali up to 2,500 rand as a spot fee. So bala ngithengile imoto yeah dinika wena because I mean uyanceda moto nalapho.
Okay, thango again. Okay, bafethu, it's your boy, Terry T, aka Chabiso Masilela. You know what you know, I know what I know. I'm here with Hood Reps at Okandaba's school tournament celebrating 50th June 16. So I'm here with
Tutuzela Vet Boy, assistant coach wa Sevusisizwe.
Okay, Nivile, shout out to Evusisizwe netball team, bafethu. Ingathi bayawina, asazi khala manzini. Okay, I want to ask you a question. How did you get in coaching or being assistant coaching?
From last year, bendi bonye Evusisizwe. So sine afternoon program pakwa Shukuma, ne? So that's when I started to coach abantwana baSevusisizwe. I saw an opportunity that I could use emsebenzini wami since we have to have inatuza afternoon program. So ndasebenzisa lo thuba ke and then I met with abantwana saqala njalo ke ngoku i-relationship yami nabo.
Okay, Nivile. So tell me, how do you motivate abantwana bakho? How do you support them to bring the A game? Because baphuma kwamakhaya angafaniyo, omnye unestress sakhe, bayikhaya kwenza kanje, omnye like like personal things zakhe.
Xa sidibana ebaleni wonke umuntu uyayazi uba funeke abe kule nto aze kuyo ngoku ne ingxaki anazo okanye ntoni like we acknowledge them uba okay zikhona because azizuya ndawo but xa ufika kwesi space uba logged into esi space wenze le nto yenziwa apha and then eza challenges that you face kokwenu mazibe zizo eziphushayo into yokubana uwenze to the best of your abilities into yokubana mawuphumelele kwisport because some of them banephupha lokubana mhlawumbi bazibona nabo bedlala eTV-ni ngelinye ixesha. That is also part of inantuza i-growth yabo.
Okay, I get that now. Last question. When you fell in love with netball, how did you fall in love with netball?
So each journey I'm with in netball started awkwardly because I couldn't play the sport. Now I was motivated by Miss Basebusiso because that's where I started playing in netball grade 9. But motivated okubana, no, you can do this. You just have to learn from mistakes zakho that you do on court and then take it from there.
Okay, thanks. How will you motivate umuntu okhalela ujoyina netball okanye ufunda netball but akazazi uzoqala phi?
Okay, I would say that just give it a try. Ungazi ngalaa nto yokubana awuyazi uba kudlalwa njani. There are people to assist you apho uzobe ujima khona and uzawufunda because sisisport esifundekayo because nee-rules zakhona like ziyatshintsha every now and then. So yeah, sisisport esi-adaptable that you can like adapt to ukwazi usidlala nawe.
Okay, so njengoba lapha akandaba school tournament wena le, how do you feel ngale initiative ayenzileyo to bring isikolo zenye indawo from Torrance nezikolo ezi like around apha? So how do you feel when about that?
It's a great initiative. Kwenzela uba nabantwana bazoba exposed to umdlalo baqhele udlala nabanye abantu aba-different bangadlali bodwa apha elokishini mhlawumbi because I think sebesazana ngoku uba abanye badlala njani aba kwesinye isikolo. So it's a great initiative into yoba mabasuse abanye abantu bakwezinye iindawo babazise apha ukwenzela uba bazoqhela udlala like with different people abadlala ngohlobo olungafaniyo.
Okay, so how many games do you play today?
Ivusisizwe i-under 15 yigame yabo yesithathu lena, u-under 19 shekelwe nayo igame yabo yokugqibela with semi-finals, which is a good thing.
Okay, guys. So shout out Tango again. It's your boy Diriti, aka Thabiso Masilela. I'm with
Thuthuzela Vet Boy.
So Bafethu. Tango. Okay, holla again. It's your boy Diriti, aka Thabiso Masilela. You know what you know. Go and follow me, Bafethu. Good raps on YouTube, on TikTok. Follow me, guys. I need you. I'm here with
DJ Drums, local DJ from Capricorn.
one of us.
Local DJs are because DJ Drums.
Oh, okay, I'm here with DJ Homes, one of the artists is Lapa Ekasi under Millicity. So Bafethu, can you please tell me more like in the only way now yenza yekwenza ucinga about le yenziwe ngumjita wakandaba it's building a community and trying to bring that like youth together.
How does Proven Takes impact what we did here?
Actually, there's nothing much to say, but I'd say it's a good thing that Okandaba has done to the community of Soletemba just to keep uplifting the community. It's just a good thing, just to keep the kids also from the streets and all of that. It's just a good thing, I'd say, yeah.
Okay, thanks again, my favorite. It's your boy, Terry T, aka Thabiso Masilela. You know what you know. I know what I know. Please go and subscribe and follow my YouTube. Good Raps. Also follow Umili CPT on all social platforms.
And also shout out to Group on Takes Entertainment.
Okay, it's your boy, Terry T, aka Thabiso Masilela. You know what you know. I know what I know. Except my favorite, again, trip check. Okay. It's updated. Please support me, guys. It's only 250 t-shirt, then put your head low. Otherwise, I'm here with
Mr. Ndovu from Fankatsin High School.
Okay, it's Mr. Ndovu from Fankatsin High School. Can you tell me, Mr. Ndovu, from Fankatsin, what are you doing in Fankatsin?
Nguthisha khona. Phinde futhi ngibe yi-assistant coach for under 17 actual. But here we have under 19.
Okay, Mr. Ndlovu is a teacher, also an assistant coach from a Fankatsin at Torrance, Bafethu. Okay, can you please tell me, what was easy for you for Banisuka up to Torrance, Nisengapa, so let's say, to be part and parcel of this event?
No, we want to into besifuna ukuyenza nje ukuthi ikamva labantwana ngoba akubona bonke abantwana abazophumelela ngesikole. So kuze mhlawumbe kume khona ama-sponsor ezokwazi ukuthi ebajonga abantwana ikamva labo bezokwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe beqhubeke nebhola ngoba abantwana lapha eTorrance balithanda impela ibhola but and likhona futhi talent eliningi ukuthi nje badinga nje support mhlawumbe nabantu aba-professional bezokwazi ukuthi beqhubeke nekamva labantwana. Nathi ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe kube khona abantwana abazodlala mhlawumbe uMotsepe kulama level lawa phezulu
siye sizobona mhlawumbe nawo nomntana osuke endurance okwaziyo mhlawumbe egcine sedlala ku-PSL.
Okay, so Sivile. So okay, can you please tell me how do you motivate abantwana ejimini to do more, to like think outside of the box, like to get like outshape them and think outside the box instead of bas include kwezinto ze-drugs, kwezinto ezinto kule nto ye-gangsterism?
I used to say when you are busy with sports you learn discipline. Ziningi nje izinto ozoyifunda ezokwenza ukuthi uqhelelane ngoba laphana uma ufika laphana egrawundini uzofica abantu abadala bekwazi ukuthi bekululeke mhlawumbe bekutshene ukuthi ungabusayenza into ethize nethize ngenkathi bebe busy nesport nabo bayibona mhlawumbe befuna ukuba omfukeng bakusasa ngobani nabo bayakhula. So nabo umfukeng nabo ngoba bebancane kangaka nabo bafikile kuleli zinga leli abadlule kulona baqale badlala ikole. So nabazi baba nama role model abantu ababukela kubona begcine beze beba yile nto abazofuna ukuba yona.
Okay, I heard you, Shara. Okay, can you tell me more about the game? What just happened? Because I can see you just came out of the game.
No, the game was fair. So abantwana bethu ukuthi akubona bonke ngoba abantu abanye besibadlalisa kungekho uma natural position abo. So like kukhona nje i-center back yethu ibidlala namhlanje ibinge abanye abekho available, so samthatha as a striker samthatha as center back. So iziyo zonke izinto mhlawumbe ezenza ukuthi ingaphumeleli impumelelo yaba right.
Okay, so which means it came with the challenges, also uncontrollable situations, and I know what's Bamagatin. So, well, I want to say, Tango, Ngosi Kakulu, from coming from Etiktorens, coming here as well Temba, while there's Indo Yensekai aim, the episode Temba. Okay, you from Waba Bangazanga, but now how would you tell Abba Bangazanga?
In Tango, ngoba nabo mhlawumbe is because it's a holiday, maybe they are busy with something ezinto mhlawumbe emakhaya, so nabo sizobagqugquzela ukuze nabo bazokwazi ukuthi bekhombise nayo experience noma i-skill sabo ukuthi okay we can play football, singayenza into ethize iphumelele ukuze nabo bezoba isibonelo esihle kulabo abasezayo. Thank you.
Okay, Ngosi Ndiabulela, it's your boy 30T aka Thabiso Masilela. You know what you know. Dango, please go. Don't forget to follow me and subscribe on Hood Raps on YouTube, also on other social platforms. Okay, Wafet, again, it's your boy 30T aka Thabiso Masilela. You know what you know. I know I am. I'm here with Hood Raps. Otherwise, I'm here with.
This is KP Gaudalis Group. Yeah, Wafet, KP Gaudalis Group.
Okay. You hear that? It's KP Gaudalis Group. Except KP, I heard rumors there's album coming on the way. Tell me more. What's coming? What are you cooking? My boy?
Except my nigga, I'm gonna drop the album soon, yabo. But then say peace, get more, yabo. Since like in the feature Shawan, the feature album, the feature Page and Casey and Cholagajani, and then being OA to IG, and then being nearly CPT, and then being semester. Otherwise, something big is I.
Okay, Buffett, as we heard, soon he will drop the album. We're waiting for that album. Okay, tell me now, what did you do? What's the effort you brought here at event Okandaba? What did you do, my guy? Just tell people about Indonesians guy and how do you get included with initiatives as Ganji? Because I can see you are a youth, my brother. And youth, so we are yes Ganji. It's about taking youth out of the street and bringing them together to work out on something that can build a bright future for you. So can you tell me what's more?
Say my nigga, otherwise silapha so support uPepe Okandaba and thola kanjani. So si invite nguye ba say season support. So yeah my nigga man. Yawo sizoteacher yawo so like say yonke way izokwenzeka man. Yonke way izokwenzeka apha yabo kumandi ugcwele yonke way izokwenzeka nje.
Okay, last question here. What motivated you to go to DJing, bro? Like, what motivated you to do DJing?
Except I am here, so some DJ scene, and otherwise, in fact, like one full DJ, I'm to like it's dangerous, I'm dead. And so I'm like, say, one put thousand, you like say, my DJ, and so Abanyabandi must in fact, like say, a Picasso, or the money land, yabo but umshita yena nguye mfethu lo wa motivate abakuthele hey yayiphila uyathola yeah mfethu so yeah.
Okay, Tango, again, it's your boy, Daddy T. Let's wrap up this thing. I say, KP, Tango. Okay, it's your boy, Daddy T, aka Chaviso Masilela. You know what you know, I know what I know. I'm here with Hood Reps in Okanda, a 50th celebration of June 16 since 1976. I'm here with
Chesi Mwachudi.
Okay, it's Jazz Mwasuli, all the way from
Etusha Zulatemba. Yeah.
Okay. So I would go like scores. So okay, can you please tell me more? What's happening around here and what brings you around Upper Zulatemba, around Zulatemba Stadium to play event?
To support the Ogandaba's businesses and also we're here for the youth to support the youth of what they're doing.
Okay. You heard Buffett. So can according to you, according to your own perspective, how does this help you to see about initiatives as
I think like games and stuff like soccer, like society drugs, like out of the streets, like they're taking like it's keeping them busy actually. That's what I think. Yeah.
Okay. So according to her, it's like taking out out of the streets, out of smoking drugs and stuff. So can you please give a motivation to a band who didn't come today, or a lesson to a band who didn't come today? Maybe next time I send a up in the hours soil and be sense
Now the only thing that I can say is that they're missing out on a lot of stuff that are happening. So next time they better be here.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so again it's a boy 30 aka Tango Afetu. Okay, again, it's your boy, Daddy T, aka Chaviso Masilela. You know what you know. You know what you know. I know what I know. Go please follow and subscribe. Hood Reps, catch me live here in Okanda, about 50th June 16 anniversary. I'm here with
Kazin Skibing, one and only.
Okay, it's Kazin Skibing, one and only, as we know. Utiche. Okay, teacher, can you please tell me what's currently happening? What was your purpose to be here, and what you want to tell other kids to do what you are doing to be involved in such events?
The invitation of Okandaba to come perform the event. So I'm going to some supporters in Chitama selection about to come showcase into the and to keep a band of women.
Okay, New Zealand. Okay, can you tell me what inspired you to be like to go teaching instead of doing other things when you learn gababandu bangaphandle like ababandu like abantu youth in the same close range to age yakho?
Just for the love umculo bula umculo nje ngikhule ngincane so just love umculo.
Okay, shout out to Kazin Bafethu. Ilondo iyo nyamva nani. It's a love of music, which means it falls under art. Bafethu, don't sit down. Work hard for your dreams. Somewhere, somehow, you'll get noticed. Otherwise, it's your boy, Daddy T, aka Chaviso Masilela. You know what you know. I know what I know. Okay, guys, it's your boy, Daddy T, aka Chaviso Masilela. You know what you know. I know what I know. I'm here with my friend, updated also. Good Reps on Okanda, 50th anniversary of 16 June from 1976 to 2026. I'm here with
Lino Jordan. As you know, it's Lino Jordan. I'm the rapper in Africa. Well known as Checker. You can call it whatever. Yeah.
Okay. It's Lino. Shout out. Go also follow social platforms like Lino Jordan and music. Hit me so much. Okay, I have that question. I have wanted to ask Omji, like, what motivated you, bro? And what, like, you managed to pull up your name, and what motivated you to do music instead of other things?
Yeah, I will music. It runs family because mom was an artist, my mother was an artist, and also me, I'm an artist. And what also motivated me is just that I love music. I grew up listening to rap. I grew up listening to rap, and I love rap, so I decided to do rap. And I was motivated because by the rap, Quest Giant, that guy, legend. So yeah.
Okay, Gina. Also, can you tell me now, how do you get your name, and how do you come up with your name, Lino Jordan, instead of using your own biological name?
Okay. Lino, I created the word Lino. Yeah, Lino means something that's bright. Lino means shine. Yeah, Jordan is my surname. Surname is Jordan. So, yeah. I just created Lino. I don't know what was for Lino, but yeah.
Okay,
I think someone is calling my name Lino.
Yeah. Okay, as you can see. Okay, the last thing, before I ask you the last question, can you give me a trip check?
No problem. The cab I bought it from Mutimo. The Durek. Maybe stand in man, down. And then also the shades, 50 rand, plug. This this is for girls, by the way. This t-shirt, it comes from a manager who Kanye, Mr. Salute, and also collabed with MT. This belt also from Timo, the jean from Mr. Price, the kid from Sidestep. So yes, sir.
Okay, we saw the trip check buffet. It's tripping, clocking buffet. 8 left, no crimes. The question that I want to ask you, and it's a tricky question. How did you get out? Window TNS, there was a peep, all that stuff. How did you get out there? My man, you called us on Facebook, because I want to see what's next. This guy is really doing this shit. How did you do it, bro?
Aslali up. Now I was showing about guys who do not play like that, the legends. One of the rappers, Babin Kalumpalela classy, now he's coming to me with all the sound. Come on, bro. So when they complain that way, by the way. So nothing personal, by the way. So yeah.
No, exactly. The last question from you now. How did you manage to go in Johannesburg to Salute Apparel?
So the guy saw me on socials. So he knows me. One socials let me push and he liked my stuff. And yo, bro, come this side. I'm gonna show you the life we funai. Is it this what you want? So yeah, and I saw you ninja. Okay, this is how we go. So I feel like I'm ready now. By the way, let me share. Let me share. Not share. Okay, by the way, yeah, I will share the secret because by June, July, August, you might see me on Channel O. You never know. So yes, sir.
Shout out again, it's your boy DDT, aka Tabiso Masilela. You know what you know, I know what I know. Again, I'm with Hood Reps Buffet, Okandaba Cleaning Services, the 5th anniversary of Youth Day Buffet. What a nice event. This is really up, and a lot of people came out with numbers, and this call, they came and attended event, and everything was good, and team was very doing a good job. This must be love because but we are here today, and everything is happening by faith. Even there are matches that are still going on forward, and for Bungeko. Nevertheless, we fail to event him now, even though you support the young men from Israel. I guess, suppose the band youth but I guess it's goal, but we are here to support them. Support initiatives is ganja. Well, a tango, my faith, it's your boy, aka Tabiso Masilela. Voila!